Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Fremantle right now. And today is Fremantle Line filming, and we'll start at Fremantle for the day towards Perth direction. We'll do 3 stopping at all stations. We're gonna start from Fremantle towards Perth direction for the 3 normal journeys, and we'll have a full journey at the end of the day from Perth to Fremantle for the premiere. So now this train will be connecting to Midland line after it hits Perth, so that's why. First, let's wait for the train to leave. They said it is departing, so I just run into this train. But it's still not really departing. So according to the caption, just go north. So that's why we're gonna end at the next station, North Fremantle. Next station, North Fremantle. Now, I won't be getting off at North Fremantle, so we'll just end the video since we head over there. Doors will be opening on the right if it opens, but we need to cross the bridge first, so it's still a while. And this bridge is very cool because it doesn't have railings, so we actually go across the bridge. So basically right next to the tracks is water. Of course above ground, very high up, but if we actually just like lost a little bit, you can see it's just like, oh, somehow some system failure and the train just left the track, and then we're just gonna fall straight into the water, which is very scary. I think this bridge, but this line is quite old, so I understand why it's like this. Back with more A trains today. A very huge turn right here. Oh, another A train. There will be sometimes B trains on the Fremantle line, but I think only usually during evening hours. Like at night, 5 to 6, there will be some B trains suddenly enter the train tracks just for like order services. This is North Fremantle. There's North Fremantle. This is North Fremantle. We'll end the video here, just going up north from Fremantle to North Fremantle. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. click on these videos up top, and I'll see you guys later. Peace!